Hello everyone. First of all, I welcome you all to this online class. Here we are going to discuss about sets. The very first chapter of NCERT textbook class 11 subject mathematics. In everyday life, we often speak the collection of objects of a particular kind, such as collection of objects. We are taking few examples here. A pack of cards, a crowd of people, a cricket team, and many more. We can say etc. In mathematics also, we come across collections. For example, natural numbers, points in the plane, prime numbers, and many more to say etc. Now we shall discuss about a well-defined collection of objects. In place of only collection, a well-defined collection of objects. A well-defined collection of objects. Let us consider few examples here also. To say odd natural numbers less than 10. That is, we can say here, what are the numbers, odd natural numbers less than 10? They are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Only these are the odd natural numbers which are less than 10. Secondly, the rivers of India, because this is also well defined collection of objects. Rivers, because we can name how many rivers are there in India. Thirdly, we have the vowels in the English alphabet. As we know, what are the vowels in English alphabet? They are that is, we say here A, E, I, O, U. Only these are the vowels in the English alphabet. So this collection is called a well-defined collection of objects. Next example, we have various kinds of triangles. To say isosceles triangle, scalene triangle, equilateral triangle. Okay. So these are the examples of various kinds of triangles. One more example we can consider here, the solution of the equation is x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Here what should be the solution? That is the roots of this equation, which we say here x is equal to 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So this is the solution of this equation. So these are the examples of a well defined collection of objects. The conclusion is that this well defined collection of objects, this is the definition of the sets. Okay, here we consider only take only these two examples to study more. The very first one is odd natural numbers less than 10, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So what we do here, we write these numbers like this. Set A is equal to this bracket. The name of this bracket is curly bracket. 1, this one, 3, 5, 7, 9, curly bracket closed. Okay, so this is the set. So name of the set, this is written by, oftenly we write this by using the capital letters of English alphabet, and inside the curly brackets, these are called the elements. Okay, here what we say, one is the element, one is the element which belongs to the set. This belongs to set A. This symbol mean belongs to. And what we say now, 3 is also the element of set A. So we write here 3 belongs to A. As here what we say, 2. 2 is not the element of this set. 2 is not the element of this set. So what we write here, 2 does not belong to set A. Okay. Next is 4. 4 is not the element of set A. So 4 does not belong to set A. Okay, like this we can say 5 also belongs to A, 6 does not belong to A, 7 belongs to A, 8 does not belong to A, 9 belongs to A, and 10 does not belong to A, etc. Similarly, we have the second example. The example is the vowels in the English alphabet, that is A, E, I, O, U. Okay, now again what we are doing, we are writing these elements, these numbers inside the curly bracket and naming the whole collection as set E. Set A is equal to, inside the curly bracket we are writing here A, E, I, O, U, curly bracket closed. Okay, here what we say, A is the element of set A, so A belongs to set A, and B is not the element of this collection, so we write B does not belong to set A, etc. Mainly there are two methods of representing the sets. Here we are discussing about sets and their representation. The two methods, the very first one is roster or tabular form, and second one is set builder form, right? So we shall try to understand how to write the sets in roster form and in set builder form with one example. For example, the set of all vowels in the English alphabet. First of all, how to write this in roster form? In a roster form, what we do, we first of all name the set like this. English capital letter is used here, equal to sign, this curly bracket. What are the vowels? All vowels in English alphabet, they are A, E, I, O, U, like this. Writing the set in this way is called roster form. And second one is set builder form. How to write that way? We write this way, set builder form. Again, the name of the set is also written here in English capital letter. A is equal to, again we use this curly bracket. We name the set as X, element as X such that X is a vowel of English alphabet. English alphabet, and after that we close the curly bracket. Okay, this is the way how we write the question, the set of all vowels in English alphabet, the set builder form. First one, writing this way is called roster form, writing this way is called set builder form. So this is the sets and their representation. Now we shall discuss few questions. The very first question is, which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. Number 1, the collection of all the months of a year beginning with J. With J letter. Of course, we have the collection, the well-defined collection. First of all, we have January, April, May, June, July. Okay, these are the months of a year beginning with the letter J. So this collection is well defined collection, so we can say yes, this is a set. The second one is the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. Here what we can say about this collection, This collection is not well defined, so this does not represent set. Okay, why? Because there is a contradiction. Two person, when they are talking, their views will be different. When they will write 10 most talented writers of India, the two persons, they will write differently. So there is a contradiction. Therefore this collection is not well defined, so is not a part of set. So what we write? This collection of objects is not well defined, so not a set. Okay, so this was question number 1. Now we take second question. We have, let A is equal to, inside the curly bracket the elements are 1 2 3 4 5 6. These are the elements. Insert the appropriate symbol, belongs to or does not belong to, in the blank spaces. First of all, we have 5 blank space E. What we say here? 5 is the element of this set, so we write this symbol. 5 belongs to set A. Second part, 8 blank space A. 8 is not the element of this set. Note the element, it means we write here 8 does not belong to set A. Next is 0 blank space A. Again 0 is not the member of this set A. So we write 0 does not belong to set A. Next we have 4 blank space A. 4. Yes, 4 is the member of this set A. So we write 4 belongs to set A. Now we discuss question number 3. Write the following sets in roster form. The very first part is A is equal to X such that X is an integer and X is greater than or equal to -3 but less than 7. So how to write this set builder form into roster form? We write this set as set A is equal to integers greater than or equal to -3. So we start with -3. After -3 we have -2. Next we have -1. Next we have 0. Thereafter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, less than 7. So only 6 will be there, up to 6 curly bracket. Okay, writing this way is called roster form. Earlier this was set builder form. Now second part is set B is equal to X such that X is a natural number less than 6. Writing this in roster form, we have B is equal to, natural numbers we know they start with 1, from 1, then we have 2, 3, 4, 5, less than 6, so up to 5. So this is the roster form of the given set. Similarly, we can solve other parts of this question. I take one more example. Here F is equal to the set of all letters in the word better. So how to write this collection in roster form? We write this way: F is equal to curly bracket all the letters. First letter is B, comma, next letter is E, thereafter we have T. Again T, there is no need to write once again, one time we shall use T. E is already written, next we have R. Okay, so repetition is not written, letters they are not revised. Once if they are written, we shall write them only one time. BETR, this is the collection, the set of all letters in the word better. Okay, now next question is question number 4. Write the following sets in the set builder form. The very first part is 3, 6, 9, 12. these are the elements. So how to write this in set builder form? We name this first of all as a is equal to x such that x is equal to 3n. Okay, where n is the natural number and this n is greater than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 4 into 3 12 4, right? Because in place of n we first of all substitute 1, then this becomes 3, then 2, 3 into 2 6, 3 into 3 9, 3 into 4 12. So this is the way how we can write this roster form in the set builder form. Second example, in second part we have 2 4 8 16 32. So what we know, we can write this 2 as 2 raised to power 1, this 4 mean 2 raised to power 2, this 8 mean 2 raised to power 3, 16 mean 2 raised to power 4, 32 mean 2 raised to power 5, right? So this is also the way we can write these numbers. So what we say, in set builder form we can write set a is equal to x such that x is equal to 2 is fixed everywhere, 2 raised to power n, where n belongs to natural number, and second thing is n is less than or equal to 5 but greater than or equal to 1. So this is the way how we can write the given set in set builder form. In third part also we do the same thing. This 5, 25, 125, 625. What is the meaning of this? 5 mean 5 raised to power 1. 25 mean 5 into 5, that is 5 raised to power 2. 125 mean 5 raised to power 3. Here 625 we can write this as 5 raised to power 4. So how to write this collection in set builder form? We say, suppose b set, we are naming this set as b, English capital letter is used here, any letter we can use, x such that x is equal to, here 5 5 base is everywhere same, so writing 5 raised to power n is changing, first time this was 1, second time 2, 3 up to 4. X is equal to 5 raised to power n, comma n belongs to natural number, and this n is less than or equal to 4, greater than or equal to 1. So this is the way we can convert the given roster form into set builder form.